Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex bringing you another training video for my Neon Breakout system. And in this video I'm going to show you how to mark up your charts with vertical lines and short trend lines and text so that you can use this method of marking up your charts as a trade journal. I like to do it this way personally because I can flip back through my charts and see what I did and why, instead of writing it in a little trade journal, which I'm too lazy to do that. But I think this is more effective for going back and analyzing your previous trades, and you can learn from it, I think, a little bit better. So first of all, I'm going to show you the vertical line and how to apply it, how to change the properties and apply it to your chart. So up on your toolbar, go over here to the left and click on this vertical line there, and then drop it anywhere you think that you want to show where you bought or sold. So I have it set so that it's kind of in the background. I'm going to show you how I did that. So you double click on the line and go to vertical line properties, and I have a little check in the box here. It says draw object as background. Here you can change the color, but I always leave it red for sell and green for buy. And here you can change your thickness. You can make it a thinner line or a wider line. And that's really all you need to do. If you want to write a description in the box, you can write something like this. And then next time you go back, if you double click it, it stays in place. If you put your arrow over it, it tells you exactly why you decided to place that sell trade. Now you can put text on your chart also, and if you want to see it visually, so go over here to your toolbar and click on the A and click the A, and I already have what I want to write on my clipboard. So I would write this because for this particular sell trade the arrow had appeared, all of the colors agree, and the zero lag MACD CHA, or you can put Z lag instead of CHA, whatever you want. The Z lag was red and below the red zero line, so that's very important. So this was a perfect sell entry, and then the text appears and you can move it around on your chart, put it wherever you want. If you right mouse click on it and go to properties, you can change the color, make it any color you want, make it white, and you can change the font size, make it bigger or smaller, whatever you like, and then double click it and it's fixed in place. Now when you move your chart in the future, whoop, you have to unclick that. Now when you move your chart in the future, it moves with your chart, but of course when I move it, it expands it a little bit so it disappears, so you have to shrink your chart a little bit to see it. So if you want to add text to show where you exited, then just go back to the A and drop it in place and just type in exit sell, and you can type in how many pips you gained. You can do that. You can use your crosshairs to figure out where your entry and exit was. Say you exited there, that's 84 pips. Double click on it, text properties, and just type in equals 84. So you know you gained 84 pips on that trade. Now if you want to put the little white dash trend line right here to show exactly where you exited, go up to your toolbar and click on draw trend line and drop it in. Whoop, there it is. Move it around, and if you click on properties, I can show you what the properties are to make it look like this. First of all, under parameters, you don't want to have the ray check, because if you check the ray, it's going to be a really long trend line, and we just want a short little dash trend line. And in common, you can change it to any color you like, and you can change it to any thickness of the line that you like. You can type in here sell exit equals 84 pips. So then click OK, double click that, and when you put your cursor over it, it'll tell you that right there at that point, and it gives you the value of the price, and so you know you sold at 84 pips. So that tells you almost exactly. You can move it anywhere you like. So that's how you mark up your chart with the vertical line, the short dash trend line, and the text. And it's really simple to do, and I like doing this to mark up my chart because now in the future I can go back and analyze my buy or sell entry and my exit to learn something from my previous trade. I think that's very important to go back and analyze your trades, and that's how you learn from them. Thank you so much for watching this training video, and we'll see you in another video.